Hi besties, it's your girl Tessie Brown. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know how we roll. Thank you for always watching my videos. Today's video will be an unboxing video, and it's my first unboxing video. So guys, I've been trying to change my wardrobe since summer, and I've been getting some things online, so I want you guys to unbox this with me. So we'll be doing this unboxing video like a FaceTime. You know, you guys are my besties, so we need to unbox this thing all together. They are huge, like it's a lot, but we need to unbox it together. So guys, let's get right to it. Which one should be the first? Let's go with this. Let's unbox this. Yeah. Yeah, I love this bag. Very portable, very portable, and very nice. The color is everything. And the next is this shoe. I love it very much, very much. Look at it, very beautiful. Very beautiful. The heels is not high, like it's just perfect. I love it. The next, let's go with this. Katia, yeah. Katia. And look at this jewelry, simple and very beautiful. You know, every dress needs jewelry. Like, to complement your dressing, just need this. I bought this in gold and in silver. Now this is the silver one. I bought it in gold and silver. Very beautiful. It will just elevate your look. So moving on to the next, we have this. This is love at first sight. Immediately I saw it, I ordered it. Like, I just love the shoe, and getting a shoe in pink is one of the things I wanted, because I had a matching pink bag that I already ordered, so I wanted a pink shoe for it. So what next? We have this. This is a Coach bag. So I saw this bag and I saw it in different colors, but I just love the white, so that's why I got it. And I've been looking for a matching white shoe, but my size is a problem. I wear 42 or 40. I wear 42 or 43, so it's really a problem getting a white heels that is my size. So this, maybe I'll match it with a flat, but I love the bag though. And the next we have here is this bag, Jacquemus. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but I guess I tried. So tell me in the comment section if I pronounce it right. So look at this bag, so beautiful. This is the reason why I bought that pink shoe, as I told you earlier. I love this bag, very beautiful and very classy, right? This is also gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Let's check this one. What is this? Oh yeah, this is a sliver shoe that I got because of a bag also. Because most of these shoes I get them because of I already ordered for a bag that is similar like the shoe. So, and I want to be having a matching bag and a matching shoe. This was not the actual shoe I wanted. The one I wanted was a cut heel. but the shoe was not my size. Like, it's very hard for me to find my size, so I just went for this instead. Then we have this. Let's see what's here. What? Yeah, I'm ready for winter. With these boots, I'm ready for winter. I love this boot. I love it. It's thick, like very thick. I will not be feeling cold on my leg this winter. So I'm already ready for winter. I love this boot. What do you think? This is Dior bag. I just like the black. I got it in black color. This bag is very beautiful and I like it. Very beautiful. This is very beautiful. This is the bag I told you that made me to buy the sliver shoe. Though that was not the shoe I wanted, but I didn't get my size for the one I want, so I choose the other one. I think I'm done with the bags and shoes. So the remaining thing here is clothes. And if you want me to do a try on haul, please comment down below. Then I'll do it. It will be my next video that I will post. So this is a hot comb that I got. I got this yesterday because I have a lot of wigs that I need this for. Let's start with clothes. This is really beautiful. The next is this skirt. This short skirt. It's very beautiful, right? Yeah, this pants. It's looking big. Yeah, I bought the big size. This is very big and I love it very well. Love this. I bought this in different colors. I bought the I guess the white, the milk color and pink. Yeah. So the next thing we have here is this. This is thick. The material is good and you can wear it for this fall and also for winter. It's very thick. Yeah. This is a nightwear. Something like this that I'm wearing. Here is it. Beautiful, right? Okay, this is the pants I told you that I have in different colors. The pink, the white and the milk color. I think this will be my longest video because I always try to make my video less than 10 minutes. This is a short gown. It's beautiful, right? I'll be showing you guys how it looks on the model where I ordered it from. I'll be showing you guys on the screen. And we have this white corset. I've not tried this at all, so I don't even know how it will look on me. But I know it's very beautiful, very strong, like it's strong and beautiful. I'm just thinking on how to style it already in my mind. So beautiful. We have these jeans. You know we are in fall and we are approaching winter soon, so I need more jeans. I just got one jeans, but I will be getting more jeans. Look at this. This is thick. It's thick for these 2 seasons. I love this gown. Like, this is my favorite favorite gown, like the best gown that I've had for a long while. I love this gown, very beautiful. So what next? Yeah, this is almost the same type of top that I've just shown you guys, but this is not a long sleeve. So I got the brown, and yeah, I've ordered for the white, but it has not yet come. This is just something I can wear at home or to run an errand. I bought some shades so that anytime I'm going out, it can elevate my look. And let me try this one on for you guys to see. Hope it's beautiful. Yeah, this is another one. I love this one. I love this one. It's giving boss lady, elegant, classy lady. To be honest with you guys, I don't like this clothes. This is my least favorite. I don't even know what I was thinking when I ordered for this. Comment below if you like it. So besties, we are left with just a few things. This is a beautiful gown, very beautiful. I love it. I can style this thing as a skirt, and I can also style it as a top, because I've been seeing a lot of people doing that online. So I can also do the same thing with this gown. So I have this. Yeah, this is beautiful, but for the texture, I don't know if it will last, but it's nice, it's beautiful. Then what is this? Okay, look at the short beautiful skirts I got for myself, and I've always wanted to have this kind of short skirt. Yeah, I've always wanted to have this kind of skirt. So, and I'm already imagining the kind of way I will dress with it, like with that long boot. Just imagine with that long boot and also a nice fitted top. Then this is a short gown, and I like it. It's beautiful and simple, very simple. The material is also nice, very nice. And this is the last one, the last one. This is the last thing for today, the last but definitely not the least. I love this. It comes with the pants, so it's giving rich auntie vibes. So guys, we are done for today. If you have watched to this length, please comment down below if you want me to do a try on haul. And thank you for watching. God bless you guys. Bye bye.